Let AutoMarker lay marker by size in sections. This method is used for certain quality requests, for color and quality differences of the material, for simple sorting of pieces after cutting, or for step ply markers. Start AMC upload and login in AutoMarker. Select the marker to be laid. Select one appropriate profile. It works with one standard profile. Indicate if two sections should overlap or not. If you indicate a negative value, there will be one corresponding space between the different sections in the marker. For example, a space of 10 centimeters. Indicate the number of sizes to be laid per section, for example 1. Indicate a name for the AutoMarker job. If you desire, you can save the profiles in order to use it later again. Send the marker to AutoMarker. And this is the result. AutoMarker has laid many sections. Each section contains one size. There is a gap of 10 centimeters between two sections.